How do I fix it? Oh no! Okay, no! I started doing the wrong side. Hey guys, it's Emma and welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little bit ridiculous and sound a little ridiculous apparently. But I got this idea because I couldn't figure out what to do because it's that really awkward time where like Thanksgiving just ended and it's still technically fall, but Christmas is in full swing because everyone just loves Christmas. Like the day that Thanksgiving starts is the day you start jamming out to Christmas music. And so I decided that I would do a half and half makeup look for you guys because I thought it'd be fun and I have a lot of colors to play around with. As you see later, I came up with the idea afterwards that for the Christmas side, I should have done like a blue ice queen look, but that's okay. This is more like of what is realistic to wear. And it was a lot of fun, so make sure you watch through all of it. Give it a like and subscribe to my channel. That's it, guys. I post on Saturdays. Alright guys, now that I look nice and tired, let's get this makeup look started. A bunch of you have seen me do my face makeup, like foundation and stuff, a lot of times, so I will link down below all of my makeup videos, and I'm just going to do a time lapse through like the foundation and the stuff that's always the same, so that you guys don't get bored and we can skip to the exciting stuff. So for now, I will just jam out to some Christmas music by myself, and I guess that's it.
Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a horse. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
I guess that's the only part that I can skip past. So the first thing, which is like the most exciting, is I'm gonna draw a line down the middle of my face just using a brown eyeliner by CoverGirl, and this is gonna be hard to get off, but I'm doing it because I'm interested. I knew this line was gonna be wavy. I look so funny already. This is gonna be great. I want to do the fall side more bronzy, like more like dark fall, you know? So I'm gonna do this half as fall and this half as Christmas. I can't tell if it looks more dramatic or less dramatic on camera. I'm also gonna use this itty bitty brush from Tarte and use that to contour my nose. So now on the winter side, I'm gonna do the same thing, but just a little bit less. Okay, so for blush, I'm using the Tarte Birthday collection in Party, and then the Milani highlighter. What do I do in the middle? I guess I'll just leave it. Actually, I'm just gonna do it and hope it doesn't smudge. Yeah, it looks fine. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Alright fam, this is the last thing that's going to be exactly the same for both sides. I'm just going to do my eyebrows. I just got my brows. Oh my god, this is how much of my brow pencil I have left. I really need a new one. I'm freaking out, but I just got my eyebrows done with my boyfriend. I don't know if you can tell, but they were like pretty thin anyway, but she just like added an arch and like cleaned up around the edges and it looks really good. But yeah, I'm going to use just the Anastasia whatever thing that everyone uses, so I can speed through that. I don't do my brows that harshly anyway. I hardly added anything, but that's it. Alright, time for the fun part. I have 3 palettes that I want to choose from. I have the Kylie Burgundy palette, the Kylie Nice palette, and I have the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette. Let's start with the fall side since like fall comes first. I lied. I'm gonna start with the shade from the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. My favorite shades are Salted Caramel and Hazelnut. They're just like gorgeous. Now we are going to take Now we are going to take Salted Caramel. Do you say caramel or caramel? Oh no! Okay. No! I started doing the wrong side. I'm so mad about like copyright stuff because I would love to just like jam with you guys to some Christmas music. I'm gonna use the Burgundy palette. So I'm gonna first go in with this like burnt orange color. Also, this palette is extremely pigmented, which just kind of freaks me out because you like hardly need anything and then it's just like blah, 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 blah. That was like some kind of a EDM thing that I know what it is, but I don't know what it is because I don't listen to EDM. And then I'm going to use Marzipan, which is that shimmer shade. I'm gonna mix the orange and like this light brown. Okay, now I'm gonna use a liner brush. I'm gonna do like this copper underneath my lash line. Here's the stressful part. I'm gonna do a winged liner. Oh! I'm just using an eyeliner by Sephora. There was nothing. Oh my god, can someone high five me? Actually, it looks way better when I like lift my eyebrows like this. I'm gonna spend the whole rest of the video just raising my eyebrows. How do I fix it? See, it's when you try to correct it that it gets way worse. For some reason, I'm doing it anyway. I'll just leave that there because there's no point in ever fixing eyeliner. I immediately knew what lipstick I was gonna do when I was doing a fall look. This is the NYX Butter Lipstick in the color Ripe Berry. And I've used this a million times. It's just so smooth and perfect. Actually, I'm gonna line my lip. I almost dropped it on my white desk. I'm gonna line my lips first. Okay, I'm using the Kylie pencil in the shade Candy K. This is pretty much the color of my lips, but a little darker, so I'm just gonna do the Christmas side anyway. Now time for this. This is gonna be hard to do exactly halfway down the middle. Alright guys, so that is the fall look. Time for winter, Christmas. Okay, so I'm just gonna use like this brown shade as a transition. Oh, this red is kind of the like inspiration for this look. It's like a red glittery. So we're gonna start with just the bright cherry red. You know what? It doesn't look that intense. I don't need to be scared. Oh, I lied.
Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a horse. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Do you know what would have been cool? So many regrets. I should have done like a blue, like ice queen. So I'm going to actually re-outline my lips with this, whatever this is, Lock Taddy. I don't know. You know what? I was gonna fill it in with the Stila liquid lipstick, which is amazing, but this works just as well. New idea, last idea. I said green would look weird, which it would and probably will, but I'm just gonna go for it on my lower lash line to make it look more Christmassy. So, oh goodness gracious, that's a little much, but whatever. Honestly, when you wear this much eyeshadow, mascara doesn't even usually make a difference. You need like fake lashes. Now that's it. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that video. For all 3 of you that are watching it, make sure that you follow all my social medias because I am most active on Instagram especially. Have a great day everyone, make someone smile, and I'll see you guys next time.